In this question, we have someone who's named Noel flipping a coin 20 times, and it landed on tails 12 of those times. And it says, which type of probability does this represent? Well, in grade 9 math, we really talk about two types of probability. We talk about experimental probability and theoretical probability. These other two that are here, they're just distractors. So we're only focused on B and D here. So let's just talk about theoretical probability for a second. Theoretical probability refers to what should happen if you were to flip this coin. So if you were to flip this coin, you would expect that you have a 50-50 chance of landing on heads or tails if the coin was fair. So half the time it's going to land on heads, half the time it's going to land on tails. Now, what Noel did was perform an experiment, and he had 20 flips in total. And out of those 20 flips, 12 of those were tails, which means that the other 8, the coin must have landed on heads. So, since Noel performed an experiment, his results constitute what we would call experimental probability. And the more trials he did of this, so if he went on from 20 to 40 to 60 to 80 and kept those flips going, we would expect that the experimental probability would eventually approach, if not reach, that 50-50 mark of half and half for heads and tails.